In this video, I want to demonstrate how to take a sketch as shown here and make it into the extrusion seen here. So first, I'm going to Control Tab back to my other document where I just have the sketch. So to turn a sketch into an extrusion, first we're going to select the sketch in the feature tree. Then we're going to move up to the features ribbon and choose Extrude Boss Base. As soon as the window opens up, you'll notice the depth field is highlighted. That's so you can just type. And I want my extrusion thickness to be 1/8, so I'm going to type 0.125, and I have my extrusion thickness 0.125 going this direction from the sketch plane. If the direction's wrong, I can reverse it with this, but I'll keep it going this way. So I want to explain this starting from the top. So the from by default is the sketch plane, but I can also tell it to start from a different plane or surface or face of an existing part, from the vertex of an existing part, or to offset it from the current plane. So I could offset this by 1/8 in this direction and extrude, or I can also reverse the offset. For now, I'm going to put it back to the sketch plane. When we're first learning, this is the most common way we extrude from. And then down here in direction 1, we have the option for our end condition. So blind is just like it says, so far from the plane. Our other options are we could go up to a vertex on a part, we could go up to a surface of a part, or offset from a surface of the part. But this is our first extrusion for this part, so that's our base extrusion. So we really only have a couple of options, blind or mid-plane. So the mid-plane says go half of this 1/8, so a 16 in both directions from the plane. If I go back here and I did have other features, I could go up to a body on that or offset from a surface of the body. For now, I want to put it back to blind. If I wanted to add a draft angle, I could turn it on with this. And if I turn on direction 2, I can go a different amount in the other direction. I don't want that for this one, so I'm going to turn that off. But again, we have the same end conditions for direction 2. We'll uncheck that. The thin feature, if it's on as soon as you come to the extrusion, it's telling you your sketch isn't closed. And when you're first learning, if you see this turned on by default as soon as you open it up, you should close the extrusion and go fix your sketch. So just like it shows, a thin feature will create a thin feature around the sketch, and we can change its offset direction. I don't want a thin feature, so I'm going to turn that off. The selected contours option is for when you have more than one enclosed shape within your sketch. So this initial simple sketch is just one enclosed shape, so we don't need to worry about that. So I have my extrusion from the sketch plane going blind 1/8 of an inch, and I'll accept that. And now I've created an extrusion from a sketch.